Today, as the opening government, we strongly support the motion that university education should be free for everyone. By free university education, we mean that tuition fees at public university are fully funded by the government, allowing all academically qualified students to pursue higher education regardless of their financial background. Our principle is simple. Education is a right and public investment, not a privilege reserved for the wealthy. Education is not merely personal benefit, it is a public good. Yet today, access to university often depends more on wealth than ability. Talented students from low-income families are forced to delay, abandon their dreams simply because they cannot afford tuition fees. Free university education solves this problem by ensuring that every student has equal opportunities regardless of economic background. Talent, not money, should determine who gets an education. Moreover, free higher education benefits society as a whole. According to the OECD Education at a Glance 2024 report, employment rates among university graduates reached around 87%, compared with only 60% among those without upper secondary education. University graduates also earn almost twice as much as individuals with lower educational attainment. These higher earnings translate into greater productivity and stronger economies. Furthermore, investment in education generates returns for governments. The OECD explained that higher levels of education increase tax revenues and reduce dependence on social welfare program. Therefore, public spending on universities should be seen as a long-term investment rather than a burden. Some may argue that free university education is unrealistic or too costly. However, many countries such as Germany, Norway, and Denmark have demonstrated that providing free or nearly free public higher education is possible and contributes to greater social mobility. When tuition is free, students from low-income families are given the same opportunity as those from wealthy families. Education becomes a ladder for social mobility rather than a privilege enjoyed only by the rich. Therefore, free university education promotes equality and reduces socio-economic inequality. Opponents may also claim that taxpayers who do not attend the university should not bear the cost, but society as a whole benefits from having more doctors, engineers, teachers, and professionals. Education creates skilled workers who contribute to national development and improve the quality of life for everyone. Research and report from the OECD consistently show that education contributes to productivity, economic growth, and human capital development. Government spending on universities should not be viewed as expensive, but rather as an investment. Graduates generally earn higher incomes and contribute more in taxes throughout their lives. Therefore, the benefit of public funding eventually return to society through higher productivity and stronger economies. In other words, free university education creates long-term economic returns that outweigh the initial costs. When university education is expensive, students often begin adulthood burdened with debt. In the United States, total student loan debt reached approximately $1.77 trillion in 2025, with average undergraduate borrowers owing around $29,300. More recent estimates show the student debt has climbed to over $1.8 trillion, affecting more than 43 million Americans. This debt delays important life decisions. Many graduates postpone buying homes, starting families, creating business, and saving for retirements because they spend years paying off loans. Young people should begin adulthood with opportunities and ambitions, not with decades of financial burdens. By making university education free, governments can ensure that graduates contribute to society through innovation and productivity instead of being trapped in debt. In conclusion, university education should be free for everyone because it promotes equal opportunities, strengthens economic growth, and prevents the burden of excessive student debt. No society should waste talent simply because some people cannot afford tuition fees. Education should be determined by ability and ambition, not by wealth. For this reason, we strongly support the motion that university education should be free for everyone. Thank you.